Get him, Joggy, get him.
No, I think they're getting him. What are you talking about?
Doggy style.
Doggy style.
They're so cute. What the fuck? Where are they now?
No, go.
Go.
Ew.
Why they're so small? What the heck? This world is full of perverts.
I know, they're really small.
No.
Too much alike.
Mine?
I grew.
Well, yours long to yours curl. What are you talking about?
I know, but we're not used to seeing you guys like it's longer.
Don't cut it.
Huh?
We said it no more, and then after that, just like
Fight. Come on.
Mine?
Yeah. Yeah, come on. Start growling.
You can't even tell.
Go backward. Go.
And then like I have a test every freaking day. No, because I only go to school for like 3 days a week.
Do you go for dinner?
No, I asked her to I told her to attend it with me. But she's like, because you have to take a test.
Hi, baby.
No, yeah.
And what does he go for?
Hi.
Oh, let's try it early. You know, I'm doing networking, there's business and math. It's only science and math related and business. And like if you master one of them and you get the certificate, you can get a good job. Like a really good career. Yeah. So you're doing business? Huh? I love business. I know. They trick you. Whoa, business? Neat. Are you good for business?
Accounting. Yes, it's business.
So what business can you do? My friend told me season and he's in college. He's like, oh, I took a class over you. I was like, okay. I got a D. Huh? Well, I haven't touched it. But I just checked every day. Like after school, after the back, I go to the class because my parents in the back. And then she complaining about her summer homework. I was like, well, why do we wait? How do we make this summer? It's because we take AP classes and we have to read this statistics and we have to answer these questions and we have to read the letter. And we have to read another book and we have to really have to do some writing your guys. What do you just get? Next year I had this oh yeah.
Đánh lộn hết ba đứa.
Because I wanted it, but it's like compulsory. That's like
Sao không có tả cao?
Má, không xây co, dành xây quẩy đại rồi.